Hello, this is Mrs. Fontanes. I wanted to show you a few things that you need to understand how to access. Right now, I'm in the Launchpad, and you can see that right here, Launchpad. And this is where you're going to see all the apps that you will need when you're in the Fort Worth ISD. For example, one thing that's very important, and I'm going to scroll down, is your email. Look for this icon. This says Office 365. Click on that. It'll give it a moment, but you'll get your email. Once you get your email, you're going to be seeing all the different emails that I have sent you already. And this is what you'll see. When you want to send me an email, press New Message. If you don't already have my email address, that's all right. You can just start with my name. And you can see, even without you printing the whole thing out, you'll see my name. And then you can write the subject and send me whatever it is you need. Okay? If you go over to here where it says the inbox will show you all the emails that you have received. So you should have received some emails from me. I advise you to check your emails every day. The next thing that I advise that you check every day is Google Classroom. As you can see, I have different classes in here. Here's your class, IPC Biology. But let's say you didn't already have that. My class doesn't appear. Well, then that's where you're going to go up here where it says the plus sign. Notice it says create or join a class. So let's say join a class. This is where you're going to put my classroom code, and that's USQGKME. Now, it does say for me to join, but I can't do that because I'm already in, okay? So in fact, this is my Google Classroom, so I'll kind of mess up the system. I'll get an error message. But this is where you, being new to my class, okay, you can press join and it'll take you to my Google Classroom. After that date, then all you have to do is click on this. You can see it says IPC Biology. It has teacher, Ms. Fontanes. Oh, I already have 39 students. And that number should increase. Okay, double click on it. I'm here. Okay, this first page is called the stream page. Has the name of the class, my name. Notice it has the class code, USQGKME. And then over here, it has the Meet link. This is how you get to my classroom. We'll look at that in a minute. All right, so here's the first thing that I have in here for you. It's the welcome, and we're going to be talking about Netiquette. As you can see, that's right here. The Google slides, okay, and my syllabus. So here's the Google Slides, and then you have my syllabus in here. So we'll be looking at that. This is also where my website is at. So we'll click on that in a little bit. If you have any technical issues, click on this and a form will come up. Tell you what, I'm going to do that right now. Okay? It says student engagement challenges, but that really means if you have a problem with your computer, let us know. You put your student ID, tell us what it is, Chromebook, internet, passwords, so forth. Okay? And then submit it. Someone will get right back with you, okay, to resolve this problem. And this is another site that'll also give you some information. I'll click on this. It's virtual learning support for students and parents, okay? A lot of good information in here. Some training things for you. It'll teach you all sorts of different things about email, ClassLink, Chromebook, you name it. It's in here. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to first talk about my Welcome IPC Biology. If you click on that, you will get this. So let me get this set up. All right. So it says here, of course, my name. Usually I teach chemistry, but I do biology, and I've been teaching for a long time. In Florida, I was there for 15 years, and this is my 3rd year in Texas, my 2nd year in INA, so 18 years. As you can see, I have my email here, and this phone. You can call me on my cell phone between 7:30 a.m. and 4 p.m. Monday through Friday. That's just a work number, so I won't be answering it any other time. This is my Google Classroom, and as you can see here, it has my class code USQGKME. This is where we're going to be using this every day. Look inside here. You're going to have your assignments in here. Also, you can see the Meet link. You can just click on this, and that'll take you to where we're at right now. So once you enter the Google Classroom, click the Meet link. All right, and you can also use this Meet link not just for my classroom during the period that you're scheduled for me, but also every afternoon from 1 to 2 p.m. You can ask me any questions at that time. So check your stream, the stream tab, and classwork tab every day. You're going to see assignments, and you're going to have important announcements there. So it's very important that you check that. So we're going to be in this PowerPoint. You're going to look at agenda, office hours, attendance, grades, work tab, online tools, and supplies at home. So here's our schedule. And I'm going to begin with my office hours. My office hours are between 1 and 2 p.m. And it's found in the Google Meet link, all right, that you already saw in Google Classroom. So you can come in and see me at any time and ask me whatever questions. You need tutoring? I'll help you. You have other issues that you need to talk to me? You can still see me. So this is also when our Google Classroom meets. So periods 1, 2, 3, and 4 meet on Mondays and Tuesdays. And periods 5, 6, and 7 meet on Tuesdays and Thursdays. And these are the times. Now attendance counts. If your assignment is not in by 11:59 the same day, then you will be considered absent. So we have 3 classes per week. Mondays and Tuesdays, periods 1, 2, 3, and 4. So those 2 days plus Friday. Notice on Friday we meet, all classes meet. So Tuesdays and Thursdays, periods 5, 6, and 7 meet. And again, they will all meet on Friday also. So 3 times a week. Be on time. Your appearance. All right. Your video must be on so that I can see you. If I don't see you, well, then you're not there. I'll count you absent. Make sure your name also shows on the screen, and be presentable. Comb your hair, have a neat shirt on, use your microphone to answer or ask questions. So your grades. Google Classroom assignments, 25%. And most of the time you'll be able to do all your assignments during class. Labs and projects, 25%. Class participation, 25%. That includes attendance. And quizzes and tests, 25%. Notice class participation encourages you to come to class because that's part of your grade. If you're not here, you cannot participate. So you see how it's hand in hand. All right, so the classwork tab is right here in the top of Google Classroom. This way you can see your assignments. So you see, tell me about you, welcome, okay. Those will be, those aren't due yet, but in fact, right now you're doing the welcome, okay. This is this PowerPoint. In Google Classroom tab, you'll see a list of your assignments along with their due dates. Assignments are due on their due date by 11:59 p.m. that day. You will lose a letter grade for each day late that you turn in an assignment. Online tools. We're going to be using, of course, Google Classroom, Google Meets, and my website, Google Slides. We'll use Flipgrid and quizzes, among other things, okay, like online whiteboard. And make sure at home that you have a notebook or paper, okay, pens and pencil, quiet place to meet for Google Meets, and a quiet place to study. Remember, I told you that you can also see a lot of information on my Google Sites. Okay, well, where can you find that? Well, within Google Classroom, if you scroll on down to my welcoming message here, you're going to see my Google Sites link. So let's click on that. And that'll take you to my Google site. Little bit about me. It gives you my office hours, Monday through Friday from 1 to 2. And you do that by that link I showed you in Google Classroom. My email and my office hours, Monday through Friday from my phone hours, Monday through Fridays from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. and that's my phone number. Remember though, if I'm in class, you won't be able to contact me. If you go to the Welcome tab over here and click Syllabus, you will get my syllabus. It has my contact information, including my website, and it has over here, let's see, welcome. I look forward to being your teacher this year. In IPC this summer, we will be learning about biology, learning Google Classroom. Call INA for the code. On a different video, I will give you the details on this. On this page, you can see class schedule. You will use the Meet link within Google Classroom, the Classroom banner, to join the class or to see me during my office hours. So let's look at that real quick. This is the banner I'm talking about. Okay, and here's the Meet, Google Meet. All you have to do is click on that, and that'll take you there.